On behalf of the government of the Republic of Fiji, I warmly greet every individual participant that has made it to our beautiful shores of Fiji, that have traveled locally. It is a great honor to be here as the chief guest and to officially open the 5th Pacific Tuna Forum this morning. The government of the Republic of Fiji, through the Ministry of Fisheries and Forests, is pleased to co-host the 5th Pacific Tuna Forum with Papua New Guinea's National Fisheries Authority. This conference focuses on tuna management issues in the Pacific region, markets and marketing opportunities for tuna products, international trade and trade barriers, research and development of new tuna products, and prospects for tuna industry development in the region, among others. Tuna is a very important resource to this region. It is only because of the tuna resource that the Pacific Island countries came together to establish the Pacific Islands Forum Fisheries Agency in 1976. Our tuna resource provided a sustainable protein source for our people and instructive value to our cultural heritage and way of life in our island communities. While we acknowledge the need for us to share this resource with the rest of the world, it is important that all Pacific Island states, together with distant water fishing nations, agree to the fundamental principles of adopting and implementing sustainable fishing methods and practices. We hear from our regional management organizations that Big Eye tuna is at overfished state, and yellowfin tuna is now under threat. I hope that through the presentation and discussion over the 2 days, we will come up with the appropriate strategies and directions that can lead towards addressing these concerns. The Pacific Tuna Forum provides a good venue for frank and open discussions, as all of you have the right to make comments and inputs. A recent World Bank study estimates the catch value of tuna in our region at $2.4 billion in US dollars. The questions that need to be asked are, what What portion of this value is realized within our region? Are we only going to sell access rights and fishing days, or do we need to also support our people, our industries to also go into fishing? What about processing of these catches within our region? How can the Pacific Island countries, as custodian of the resource, also participate in fishing, processing, and training of the tuna resources? I'm aware of the current challenges facing the world tuna fishing industry, many of whom are experiencing lower catch rates, paying higher excess fish, and selling their catches at depressed world prices. Maybe it is time for a restructure of the whole industry. Maybe we need to reduce the number of distant water fishing nations, vessels that fish in our region, as well as the overall number of fleets. I know that these are tough questions and issues. These were also raised in the Pacific Islands Forum's Leaders Summit in Port Moresby earlier this month, where a roadmap for sustainable fisheries was adopted. I'm sure the Forum Fisheries Agency will be discussing this later in their presentation. It is indeed timely for Fiji to be hosting the 5th Pacific Tuna Forum as being in the center of the Pacific. We are able to have the participation of all the Pacific Island states, as well as representatives from the major fishing and processing industry and key stakeholders. We are therefore confident that through this conference, we will all contribute to positively outcomes for the sustainable management and development of tuna resources in our respective communities and countries and throughout the Pacific Island region. As you all know, we have a range of distinguished speakers and presenters over these 2 days, and because we endeavor to be successful, we encourage that you contribute to every discussion that will be encountered. Fiji's Prime Minister, Honorable Josiah Voreqe Bainimarama, spoke at the first Pacific Islands Development Forum of forming a grand coalition throughout the Pacific to protect our environment in order to make sure that development is sustainable and that the common good comes before sectional interest, so that we leave the Pacific to our children and grandchildren in a better state than when we inherited it. We must have at the forefront of our minds the kinds of violence we will bestow upon our future generations. I strongly urge you all to place it at the forefront of your deliberation over these 2 days as we acknowledge Papua New Guinea for putting forward the need to establish a Pacific Tuna Forum. With these few words, I have the great honor to declare the 5th Pacific Tuna Forum officially open. And I wish every individual the very best. Thank you. Bo Danewad, Pinaka, Pagaling.
Bisa duduk loh ya.